to Food vs Sharma with me, Suman. In my today's video, we will be making bread Malai rolls, which is quick, easy and simple. So you can make this dessert in any occasions or parties. Without any further delay, let's just quickly move ahead with the recipe. So this recipe has 3 parts. So firstly, we will prepare stuffing for our bread roll. Heat up the pan. Add half tablespoon of ghee, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 20 grams of cashew and 20 grams of melon seeds. Any nuts you have with you, just add it and roast it. You can also add pista, almonds if available. Once it's done, we'll add 1 cup of milk. Cook until boil comes in. Here we will add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix well so that there is no lumps. Keep stirring until a thick paste-like consistency is formed up. Also, if you want chunks of nuts in your malai roll, then this is perfect. However, if you want something that melts in your mouth, then just grind it to a smooth paste. Now take that mixture out and keep it aside. For syrup part, I have taken here 1 cup of milk. Flavor it with cardamom powder. Half teaspoon of food color. For sweetness, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And our syrup is ready now. Now we will prepare our bread roll. For that I have taken bread slices. We'll just cut the sides off. Roll it with a roller. Now make the edges smooth by cutting out the sides again. Keep the bread size equal. For that, cut out the first bread and then cut rest of it by putting one over another. For each bread roll, we require 2 slices of bread. Now wet the edges with milk or water. Press it with the thumb so that one slice of bread sticks to another. Now put the mixture in and roll it down. So our stiff bread roll is ready. Moving ahead with the final step, we'll put all things together. In a serving plate, we'll place bread rolls one after another. Pour the syrup in. To make it more attractive, we'll add a drop of food color. Now garnish it with some pista and finally the cherry on the top. And you can see our bread malai is all ready now. Isn't it quick, simple and very delicious? So do give this a try and let me know how it turned up for you. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming cool recipes. Until next video, stay tuned.